This might be my favorite CLE53 AMG spec I've ever seen. It is absolutely stunning. Let me show it to you now. Now, Patagonia red is a color that we've had in the past, but it has made a comeback here on the CLE53. Similar to Cardinal red, but it is a little bit different. It has a little bit less orange in it than Cardinal red does. At least that's what my eye sees. So in love with this combination. You all know by now how I feel about the CLE53 AMG. I think that Mercedes-Benz has executed a masterclass with this car, and I cannot wait for the CLE63 whenever that comes. That's going to take this and amp it up even another notch. But such a fantastic color combination, and I love the mix and match elements of night package with the silver wheels. Tonka brown Napa leather interior. It has the new forged aluminum wheels. These are a new cross spoke design that we have exclusive to the CLE currently. And it mixes night package elements with the silver wheels, which is something that Mercedes-Benz is allowing us to do now, and I love it because I think it's fun to mix and match some traditional chrome elements and some polished wheel elements with some high gloss black. You can see that we have high gloss black down here in the diffuser. We also have some in the front air flicks. Now, in the past on many models, if you had a night package, you were then locked into a black wheel. So you can see some of the black accents there. Now, that is no longer the case on all models, and I love that because I just think it gives you so much more additional flexibility in how the build turns out. So this car is a very luxurious red. This is kind of a burgundy metallic red. It's not a super bright red, not like a Ferrari red. And this Tonka brown interior, I just think, is the perfect interior for this. It's Ferrari-esque with the red and the tan, but it's not quite a Ferrari color. Now, the Tonka brown is the way that you get diamond stitching in the CLE53 if you want to class it up just a little bit. And you do have a second row here that is usable. It's not usable for very tall individuals for long periods of time, but it is usable. I also love the fact that Mercedes-Benz gave us physical controls for the top. That is something that in the era of touchscreens is a nice to have. But I just love this so much. I really do. Let's take a step inside here for a moment and power up. Well, it wants me to put the key in the cup holder, which we will do there. So by powering up the car, I can now use my drive select here, my AMG drive unit, to switch over to Sport Plus. That's going to give me the best possible sound on startup. So now we're going to give it a go. And although this is an inline 6 and not the 8-cylinder, it does still have a nice exhaust note to it. It really does. Just kind of a low rumble there. We'll leave the camera back here for a moment so that you can hear it when I give it a little bit of juice. Better leave the microphone as well. So let me know in the comments what you think. Do you like this build? Is it too luxurious for you, or do you think it's just the right blend of luxury and sport? I think that this is a truly, truly fantastic specification. One of my favorites, one of the most unique that we have here. I absolutely love the way that it turned out, and I can't wait to see who takes this one home. So we've got 82,600 Base price, AMG carbon fiber trim, the black fabric top, the 20-inch cross-spoke wheels, ventilated seats, driver assistance, Pinnacle, $95,985 out the door. Well done. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you here for it? I'm here for it.